Paso number 2. Bombay number 9. 5 to shoot.
Kailangan si Bernard.
15 to shoot. Number 8. To number 9.
Lalabas na kayo. Pumasok.
Paso number 2. 2 points by number. Supply 2 points. Jersey number 10. Supply Bombay. Number 02. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Airball Bombay. Paso number 8.
Shoot bulan.
2 points. Jersey number 1. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Time out. Now. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 2 points. Bigay sa gilid. Number 9. Blurry Bombay. Number 4 sa blue pa rin. Bombay. Shoot. Number 2. Sa Blurry Bombay. Number 4. Nawala na. Pass to number 10. Pull up 2 points. Jersey number 2 to number 12. Number 10, 15 to shoot. Blurry Bombay. Number 10, 8 to shoot. 2 points. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 4. Blurry Bombay. Number 4 to number 8. Blurry Bombay. Number 02.
Putangin na huli.
Jersey number 10. 2 points. Jersey number 1. Blurry Bombay. To number 02. 2 points. And the shoot. And the shoot.
Tiro tapos malapit.
Steal number 2.
Ay, hindi pa na.
Pass to number 10. To number 12. To number 2. 2 points. 15 to shoot. 2 points. Pass to number 9. 15 to shoot. To number 4. Handball. Supply. 2 points.
Danlan yan. Danlan yan. Danlan yan.
Supply Bombay. Number 4. Pass to number 10. 2 points by 15 to shoot. Supply Bombay number 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the game. Okay po, wala mo na pong alis.